Hello friends, I'm and today we're diving in the fantastic world of Linux. And yes, I'm back with my old setup and it looks nice to be honest. I'm gonna create the videos the way I used to do before, I got my Nothing Phone 3A because I'd like to create videos in efficiency. Like, yeah, I know that you'd like quality videos from this phone, but let's just keep it aside because I'm a little short on time these days. So yep, let's get started. And this is the setup. Now you might be wondering like, let me just show you. This is my setup, Fedora. And as you can see, it is literally smooth as always. But what's more beautiful is the desktop. This is just Gnome desktop with a really amazing wallpaper and a few extensions, which I'm gonna tell you in this video. So let's get started, and at the end of the video, you will be able to customize your desktop like this. It's minimal, it's very low effort, and it feels nice. And you can just set it up and forget it and enjoy the whole desktop while doing the real work you're supposed to do. Not mess with hyperlink setups or other Linux rices which require 13 or 14 hours of time, because yeah, I have missed a lot of time there. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you like videos like this. Like, yeah, to be honest, I prefer videos like this when my face cam is just a window on my desktop. So let's start with desktop. As you can see, I have a wallpaper which is linked in the description. Just go to that wallpaper and set it as background. That's it. But what about this blur effect, this cool, amazing effect? Well, for that, the easiest way to do it is to first install Gnome extension. What I suggest you is install extension from Flatpak, because there you're gonna see extension manager, which allows you to download and install and apply and customize Gnome shell extensions from one place, and do the same with tweaks, just like that. And you might see something like this, like my desktop is pure vanilla Gnome, but my applications are really beautiful, each of them. Whether you talk about Nautilus, or let's say the calendar or calculator. To be honest, I like this calendar application. But leaving that, for that, go to your browser and search for Orchis GTK theme. All the links are in the description. You don't need to search on Google. So I'm gonna put the GTK GitHub theme in the description. Just go there, download the zip file like this. There it is. And now go to your files, downloads, Orchis master GTK extract, open it. And now just right click on the install.sh and run as a program. It's gonna do everything by itself, and it might want to install a few codecs. Just install it. And now this is time for the segue to our sponsor, DETA-SURF. The smart, local-first browser that is built for creators, dreamers, or anyone who actually thinks on the internet. And everything I researched for the video before the pre-production was done inside DETA-SURF, just like this. And most browsers track you, but DETA-SURF doesn't. DETA-SURF is a local-first browser. So yes, I use DETA-SURF, and it's not just a browser for me. It's a one-stop destination for my workspace. It is like my second brain, and you can check DETA-SURF with the link in the description. And let's continue the video. And now let's talk about the second thing. As you can see, the icon packs here and everywhere are pretty amazing. For that, we're gonna use Papyrus icon pack, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna put the GitHub link in the description, but installing this one is pretty easy. Just go to the installation section and copy the commands of your distribution. Mine is Fedora. So all I have to do is just go here in Fedora section, and I just need to copy the command and install Fedora through the terminal, just like that. There it is, I've already installed. Now it is time to customize. For that, let's go to extension manager first, because that is the main thing. You're gonna go to browse and first enable user theme, and then install Blur My Shell and install it from there. Now all you need to do is just go to the Blur My Shell, go to the panel, and turn it to static, or if you want it, then just enable it, and if you don't like it, then just, and let's say if you're using an extension, for example -to-dock, well, make sure you search in the browse section -to-dock, which is pretty popular in. Let me just install and show it to you right now, shouldn't I? It'll be appearing just now in a second. There it is. Now let's say you're using the -to-dock, and as you can see, it blends in with the background whenever it is blurred, or you might see some errors or not so good things. And so for that, just go here, go to the dash and turn off this. It will make it static, but we're gonna need to customize it. So let's just go to the settings of this dock to dash, Oh, dash to dock. First, I would like to increase the size. And now go to the launcher, well, appearance, and turn on user built-in theme. Nah, it doesn't look that good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to customize opacity and turn it to dynamic, or maybe static was better. Yep, I'm gonna just turn the opacity a little, like this much. Yep, this looks nice and blends beautifully with the background. And I'm gonna choose a custom dash color and choose a grayish variant to make things look a little better. You can just hit and try and see what suits you best. For me, it's this. And you can do a lot of customizations as well, but I don't like this. I like the normal dash. So I'm gonna just go there and turn it off. Just like that. I like this one. And now as you can see, the blow my shell is working flawlessly everywhere. And now it is time to apply the themes and icons. So just launch tweaks, go to appearances. And yeah, there's one more thing, Bibata modernized cursor. Yep, how can I forget this? Yep, the link will be in the description, don't worry. And just like others, it's gonna be a GitHub theme. So you're gonna need to go down a little more and see for your distribution. For me, it's Fedora, so I'm just gonna need to copy these commands. I'm just in terminal paste it there. It will add the repository of cursor. Yes. And now I just need to install it. Just like that. Yeah, I've already installed it. Now let's get back to the video. Go to the cursors, choose Bibata Modernize, then icons, go for just Papyrus, and then shell. I'd like the normal Advaita shell, okay? But for the legacy application, I would like Orchis GDK theme. But as you can see, it is not available here and not even here, which means something is missing. That is because it now uses libadwaita with GDK4. So we're gonna need to go to the folder where we had Orchis GDK theme, right click, open in console. Now type /install.sh -l. -l means libadwaita. It's gonna do everything by itself and done. And now relaunch tweaks application. So yep, it was just as easy as this. And let me know in the comments what do you think about it. To be honest, I love this setup. Like, man, when you combine this fluid workspace and how we go through different applications, launch other stuff, and especially the software of Gnome, how it is customizable and fluid, so minimal. I just like the Gnome desktop for these things. And especially if you have just the right amount of things. Just the wallpaper, just the right amount of theming and, the icon packs and a cursor, you can grab a really nice setup. And if you want to go even further, Gnome extensions is really powerful. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it, and if you like this, just let me know in the comments, okay? Because I need to know if you guys like the video and like the customization or not. And I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm signing out.